Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Farhan and you are watching my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how we can make a security related report or how we can obtain an incident report. First of all, I would like to tell you that whenever you are making any report, the report writing should be simple and readable, because sometimes some of the reports are related to other departments also, if the issue is related to housekeeping, definitely you will send a copy of the report to housekeeping department also. Or issues related to maintenance, then you will send to maintenance department also. So report writing should be always readable and simple, that other person also can read your report. And whenever you're making any report, always follow the trick of 5 W's and 1 H. These 5 W's and 1 H trick will help you to obtain any type of difficult report. No matter how much difficult it is, if you follow 5 W's and 1 H, the report writing will be very easy for you. So what are these 5 W's and 1 H? What, when, where, who, why and how. These are the 5 W's and 1 H. What is the incident, what happened, what is the issue, and when the incident happened, what is the time of the incident, what is the date of the incident. Make sure that whenever you are making any report, the time and date should be accurate, because sometime by reading your report, many other department will visit on the incident place. So the timing and the date should be accurate also. And you will mention that how the incident took place, what is the cause of the incident, and where the incident took place. Make sure that to always mention the exact location, the accurate location of the incident, where the incident took place and why the incident took place. Is there was any slippery road, or is there was any property damage due to that incident took place, or is there was any brake fail to the vehicle, so the incident took place. And the last one is how the incident took place. So friends, these are the easy steps to make any difficult report, that what, when, where, who, why and how the incident took place.